Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got these clamps on here, keep the ramp from rattling. Take it down using only my index finger. Look at that, very easy to do. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. That's why I like these rear entries better than the side entries. It does taper down to about 33 inches there at the base. Got 8 tie down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Headliner looks great condition. It's got your rear air controls. Between this second row of seats here, there's 21 inches of room between those seats. So a lot of times, person's legs will sit up right in between them. The chair will sit slightly behind it, or we can take out one of these seats. We have seats that fold up on their side. Let us know the measurements of your chair. Let us know what you need, and we'll do our best to accommodate you and make sure we get this van fit for your needs. There's no one size fits all. I got your remotes on the steering wheel so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your radio controls. You can put your auxiliary cord in there, sync your phone to it. Dual climate control, rear air, plenty of cup holders galore. Got your plug-ins for all your electronics. We do give a free set of pull-tight tie-downs away, Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out and look here, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Lift it up just like so. Latch it down, and you're ready to roll. Give the trunk a good slam. Quick walk around to the van. Tinted windows, alloy wheels. Rear tires are about 8/30 seconds, so very good condition. The front tires are brand new, so it's got some really good tires on it. Very clean body. There's a few small scratches in the rear. I'll show those to you. But overall, very clean, very nice. The paint still shines. All the body lines look good. It's a real nice, real clean van. That should, little chip right there in the paint. I'm gonna have my guy put a little touch-up paint on that. Not because I'm trying to hide it from you, but because I'm trying to protect it. A little scratch right there. I'm having to put some touch-up paint on that as well. Overall, real clean van though. Small scratch back here. That should buff out. But overall, one little minor bruise there. Someone probably got them in a parking lot. And I hope you can tell by the video, I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. And I promise you, 99.9% of vehicles with 69,000 miles on them are going to have some little scratches in them like I'm showing you. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you. You can't see these in the pictures. So, yeah, the other guys can take pictures of their vans. They look perfect. I promise they're not. We always show you the VIN number so you know exactly we have this van in our possession. And speaking of that VIN number, we always provide a free Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. You can see this van, no accident or damage. 1 owner, lots of service records, last owned in Florida. So in a rust-free area, no ice, no snow, obviously, as we scroll down. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage, no open recalls. As we scroll down here, you can see in detail all the service that's been done to this vehicle. So well kept, well serviced, 1 owner vehicle. It doesn't get much better than that, folks. Also, when you're considering our reputation, check us out on eBay. We have 826 transactions. You can see we've never had any negative feedback. That's 100%. 826 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. You look us up on Google. 168 reviews, a 4.8 out of 5 stars. We've got great reviews. We've got a great reputation. And that's why we sell so many vans. So all dealers are not the same. I promise you that. If you think everybody out here is trying to do you right, going to treat you right, good luck. So let's go check out the van some more. As far as the rest of the interior of the van, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Extremely clean interior. Very well kept. The dash looks good like I showed you earlier. Second row of seats got the armrest in it. Looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. Just a nice clean van. When I go to fire the van up, we've got one key. We can get a second key on your dime if you like. They're about $199 generally. You can see the current mile is 69,763. And we've tested everything big and small. The power mirrors, power windows, power locks. And if you've ever been used car shopping before, you get out there, whether it be Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, get out there, it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about. You know, a big dent in the door, the check engine light's on. You know, that's not how I do business. I'm too busy selling vehicles to mess around with that sort of crap. I'm trying to be honest as I possibly can. So let's pop the hood and check out underneath. Underneath the hood, everything looks good. I don't see any signs of any accidents. The engine idles smoothly. I don't see any signs of any leaks or any damage or any evidence of a flood or anything like that. You got your emissions control sticker there as well. We check these out very thorough before we buy them. I do not want something that's been in a flood. I don't want something that's been in a bad wreck. I don't want to rebuild it, or I don't want salvage. I want nice clean vans with nice clean Carfaxes. You can see under here, I don't see any signs of any leaks, no signs of any damage, no signs of any floods. That's the number one mistake people make when shopping for used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman's nice to them. You know, they assume because that they think it's a good price on the internet. They think the van runs and drives good. They think it's not all rusted out underneath. Go check out my competition. Go to their website right now. I am sending you to the competition. Go ahead and do it. How many pictures do they have of the undercarriage? Much less videos. You know, they buy these vans. I know what they're doing. I've been doing this 10 years. They buy these vans. They're all rusted out from New York and Chicago. And they throw them on their lot and they buy them for a big discount because they're all rusted out. Nobody wants them. Nobody wants those problems. And they sell them to you and they don't tell you about them. So I'm telling you what, rust can lead to major issues. So, you know, I don't care who you are. I don't care who you're buying from. Demand a detailed video just like this. If someone's going to ask $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 of your money, and they won't get off their behind and they won't go make a detailed video to show you exactly what you're getting, then are you really thinking about sending them $20,000, $30,000 over the internet? Are you really thinking about doing that right now? Demand a Carfax report. You know, demand to see their credentials. Demand to see their reviews. Everybody's got a Google review. If they're not good, you know, if they've got a 3 stars out of 5 or 3.5 or less, you know, you're going to have a lot of issues. So I'm just telling you right now, people get burned on the internet every day. Don't be naive. Don't be one of them. Do your due diligence. Do your research. Find out who you're buying from. So let's get the van out on the highway. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or road noise. So all exactly what we want. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I can only promise what it's doing right now. That's why I'm making the video. I can't promise what it's going to do tomorrow. We highly recommend a very affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They start at 90 days. They go all the way up to 6 to 8 years. So, you know, let us know. Talk to me about that. Be happy to go over that with you and protect your investment. We've already gone over our reputation as far as, you know, why we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Also, be aware of all these dealers out there with these hidden fees. A lot of times they have a real nice price online. The next thing you know, when you're about to complete the deal or you go in to visit, oh yeah, we've got a $500 document fee, and we got tag fees, and then we got administration fees. Next thing you know, you're about $1,200 or $1,500 more in fees they didn't tell you about. And then, oh yeah, then you factor in shipping, you got another $1,000, $1,500 in a lot of cases, and that real nice price you saw online is about $3,000 more than they really told you. So be aware of dealers. Be sure to ask about any hidden fees. And my question to you is, if someone's not going to tell you the real price, you know, if they have a van that's $30,000 online, other than obvious sales tax, you got to pay sales tax to Uncle Sam. But if they tell you it's going to be $30,000, shouldn't the van be $30,000? Not $30,500, not $31,000. And if they're hiding things like that from you, what else are they hiding from you? So, you know, are they hiding accident, salvage title, flood? You know, I don't know. But if you're not going to be honest about the price, there's a whole lot more I'm going to guess you're probably not being honest about. So just things to be aware of as someone that's been in this business for 10 years. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. And if you're more of a text messenger, give me a text message, 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call the competition. I want you to ask him, hey, are you willing to give me the owner's cell phone number? Are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Try that out. See what they say. I would be interested to find out. And if you want to see our entire inventory, check us out, www.mobility316.com. We got detailed videos and Carfax reports of each and every one of our vehicles, along with dozens of pictures. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send one to your email address. Or if you're old school, that's okay. Give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone and go over it with you as well. So give us a call or text today about that. And we do take trade-ins. Even across the country, we've done some of those before, so let us know how we can help on your trade. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.